How to remove someone from Discord group DM. Hello everybody, what's up? In today's video, we are going to teach you easy steps on how to do it. So let's start without any delay. First of all, you may go ahead and open up a Discord application and log in into your account. And then once you are logged in into your account, you should be finding this home interface. So in order to remove someone from group from the home interface, you need to look out for the direct messages icon in the top left corner of your screen and tap on it, and it will open up your messages. So from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and locate up the group from which you would like to remove a member from. For example, I would like to remove this from this group. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on your group name once you're under the chat. And after you tap on it, you will be finding the members of your group. So in order to remove someone, what you need to do is simply go ahead and locate up the members. I only have 2 for now, so let me just go ahead and remove this person right here. So you may just go ahead and locate up their profile, tap on it, and you will be finding this. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top right corner of the profile. After that, here it will open up a menu. Now from the given menu, all you gotta do is you may look for the option called remove from group option. So just go ahead and tap on remove from group and then confirm it, and there you go, the member has been removed from the group. So this is it. You may also follow the same process in order to remove someone from your Discord group DM. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on another video.